So here we are, Wednesday night, in my opinion, the official kickoff of Formula Drift Long Beach. We got our cars out here at the Pike. We are getting ready to roll into round one, Friday qualifying, and then Saturday is the main competition day, and we are just more than stoked with our new package. The car is on point and ready to rip. See you out there. Let's get our cars. I'll have the spotter's card. But yeah, so obviously not much to do today other than just kind of come up with our game plan. See these hot rods? Yeah, that's pretty hilarious.
What are those?
Like, what do you think they are? Drift cars? Okay. Cause like the track was like super green the first 4 passes, 2 and then 2. Like that's all you really get on those media days. Oh hey dude. Oh, good for you. That's awesome, thank you. Yeah, no, this is really cool. Yeah, so just wrapped up getting our setup package and our hard cards, schedules, wristbands for extra people that will be coming in, need access to get in and out, bringing stuff in. But yeah, we're pretty much all set. They get a little better at it every year, or you know, do a little bit more for us every year. I don't know which one it is, but it's nice. So. What? I dropped Mitch's hard card somewhere.
You dropped it?
Yeah, I don't even know how. I came over here and was passing them all out, and I don't see hers.
Dead.
It's like, how does it happen? Like we'll turn it off overnight so it doesn't leak out.
Do you like these wheels or what?
Yeah. Well, you don't?
No. I like them.
Fine.
I'm kind of like
I don't like your face. What do you say about that?
Wheels. This is my face. I only got one. You can get new wheels. A little aggressive.
It's not the most exciting for a Formula D day, but you know, there's just a lot of things to go through, a lot of meetings to sit at, you know, gathering parts, make sure the team has everything they need, doing our interviews with Formula Drift Studios, and you know, just kind of gearing ourselves up for the weekend.
How is it? VR easy to drive?
Oh, it's great.
It's great.
Yeah, it's great.
It's nice that you're driving really, really good.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, let me get a picture.
Oh, okay.
Here, there. Oh. There we go. That's Ueno. He used to drive the Vertex SC 400 back in the day. Yeah. The Soarer. Yeah. Yeah. No, he's just he's a badass. Thank you. I got it. Carry it. Oh, thank you, of course.
Three-time champion. Not only is it his birthday, it's also Chelsea Denofa's birthday as well.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was your birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What?
Thank you. No, it's Chelsea's as well, down there in the, you know, yeah. He's all right.
He's all right.
He's all right. No, we're running each other too.
Oh, you really?
Yeah, yeah. It's funny because we're like both from like a similar area too, out in the Northeast. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Maybe you're secretly twins.
Right?
Not at all.
Gotta ask my dad. It's gonna be good. The birthday battle. Yeah.
Chris Forsberg, Chelsea Denofa, our second battle, top 16. Forsberg throws it in. Denofa right there on the side of that 370Z. Forsberg gets out that touch and go, transitions under the bridge, deep in that first outside zone. Chelsea Denofa all over Forsberg, really deep in the second zone. Now into that final front flip. Let's see how they maneuver. Both of them. Looks like Forsberg wraps it around. Chelsea Denofa centers that black magic.
Yeah. impact on my left rear or right rear on entry.
Chelsea initiates. Coming into view of the judges. Whoa, doctor!
If I would have just got off it a half second sooner, it would have been just like out and through and done, but it was just like that, like as he was doing the downshift coming off, it just gave me this little bump. You better hold him on that. I didn't want to touch him and cause the spin. Not to mention he slammed inner one, touch and go one, and like came way wonky out of there. Yeah, boys, got it.
Chris Forsberg qualifying 8th. Matt Field looking really strong, very consistent. Chris Forsberg has definitely
It was pretty awesome. I knew Matt was going to be fast and clean, pushing on through turn 1, pushing on through turn 2, and in my head I was like, this is sick, right? It felt great. And finished the run, we didn't spin, but we lost a little momentum there. Definitely a mistake. First half of the course being great. That bobble definitely would have sent us, you know, back home.
Here we go. Forsberg out front. Matt Field chasing him down. Forsberg comes into view, doesn't get all the way out to the touch and go. Does get to that first outer. Oh, and Matt Field! A major mistake by Matt Field! Matt Field had a major mistake. And Forsberg continues on. Ryan, take a look at this.
We did the job, right? We filled the zones. Yeah, boys! Rolling forward, look at the wheel. Okay, looks good. Like this.
Keep it on.
Okay, open. Okay. You're all the way open, all the way done? Now we're at 850.
We're at?
We're at 850.
Really?
Yeah, we went from 1200 to 850 and all that.
Meters on.
Yeah, it should come up. It's
It'll
already
come up
40.
quick.
It's already 40. Okay. Ah, that was intense.
A little bit.
Holy.
It's like, you must have come on the button late, because all we heard was, ah!
Really?
Yeah, I was like,
Oh.
I don't know what that means!
And he said he just lost it on the transfer.
Yeah.
Right now, it's all about Odie Bakshis and Chris Forsberg. Odie Bakshis will lead. Odie initiates Forsberg in tow. Odie gets out that touch and go. Forsberg goes a little bit deeper. Odie really deep on that first outer zone. Forsberg now sucking in to the side of Bakshis into that final front flip. Odie
You're ready, right?
Me and Odie.
Ready?
I'm ready. It's okay. That was awesome.
I just slapped you in the face. I'm sorry.
That was awesome. I just did the same thing with Odie. I'm like, let's go get it. It's like, cool.